All right, so what they want us to do is replace the x with the 0 first. So let's do that. You can do it in a calculator if you need. It's saying take 1/2 times 0 and then plus 1. 1/2 times 0 is just 0. So 0 plus 1, we got what? 1. Now we're going to do it with the 2. So I'm going to take 1/2 times 2 plus 1. What is half of 2? 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so now it says write these ordered pairs, these as ordered pairs. So if I said x was 0, y was 1, 0 comma 1, x comma y. The other one was 2 comma 2. So on a coordinate plane, you have the x's and you have the y's. These are 2 of the solutions that are part of this line. Are they the only solutions? No. So when you're graphing, remember you go left and right, then up and down. So we're going to graph 0, 1. We go over 0 and up to positive 1. You don't have to label it if you don't want. You guys remember how to graph? Go over and then up or down. Then the next one is over 2, up 2. So 2, 2. We're going to draw a line exactly through these 2 points. So this line is made up of a bunch of solutions. That's what the line is. And then it says, okay, find a different point on the line. Let's see, I can't tell exactly, but that kind of looks like it's on there. This point would be -2, comma 0. I just picked one that looked like it was on my line.
What if your line isn't straight?
Then it'll be more difficult, but we will have more points when we actually do this. All right, so then it says, let's make sure that this is a solution. If I pick -2, 0, saying that x is -2, will the y be a 0? So if I put in a -2 here, what is 1/2 times a -2? Anybody know?
-1.
Which is now saying, okay, is -1 plus 1 0?
Yes.
Yes. Do you think that any point on the line is a solution? We found 2. I randomly picked 1. Weren't they all solutions? Then they all were.
Yeah.
They all came out to be, if you put in this x, you get this y. So yes. Explain. Well, if you put in that x, the y comes out. So the x and y are true. I'll just say that. any point, you should have the x making the y true. All right. Let's pick 5 more points. We get to pick the x values. We have to find the y values. I'm gonna pick -2. No, we already did that one. Let's pick 4. You can pick 5 if you want, but if I do 5 times a half, I'm gonna get a decimal. So let's try 6. 8, 10, 12. The reason I'm saying that is because this has a denominator of 2, so it needs to be divisible by 2. Now let's plug those in. 1/2 times 4 plus 1. You guys get the numbers. You fill in the chart here. So you're finding the solutions. You don't have to write all of my work down. That's just, I'm showing you how to get your answer. You're just taking the x and seeing what comes out with the y. Did you guys get 3 on the first one? 4. Looks like there's a pattern here. So these are all points that would be part of the solutions or that make up the line. All right, so let's skip this one, but what do you think, or why do you think y equals ax plus b is called a linear equation? What do the solutions create? A line. I wanted to do the graphing calculator on Desmos, but maybe, actually, yeah, go ahead and get your Desmos, get your Chromebook, and I want you to go to, or just put this in your search if you want. you should come up, maybe I can pull it up too. You should come up to a, it should have like a box that says y equals.
I just have a giant nothing.
Like this? Okay, so usually they have a y equals, so let's type in, what was it, y equals 2x plus 5. And now I can change, like I can go closer, I can scroll out. Here's a table of it, like we just made for our graph that we did. If you click below it, you can see that you can graph another or type in another. Let's take the first one out. And now let's do the one it says on the worksheet, y equals 5x minus 12. And if you grab the thing, like if you grab the graph, you can go up and down, I believe, if you have the touch screen. Now it's asking, can you tell where the line crosses the x-axis and where it crosses the y-axis? Your x-axis is the left and right, the y is the up and down, like a yo-yo. It looks like it crosses the y-axis. So write this on your worksheet. On 12. Negative 12. Let's see if it'll let me scroll it. I can see where it crosses the x-axis, but I don't know what that decimal is. Are you guys with me on that? I can't really tell, but I'll say x-axis close to 2. All right, so we're gonna continue on. These are our notes pretty much here. I might have to go just look at these. I'll be back with the other few.